Well, the People's National Party, they were supposed to have a mass meeting tonight in St. Andrew. I beg your pardon, so we're having a live. The PNP were supposed to have a mass meeting here in St. Andrew tonight, but because of logistic concerns and safety concerns, that was put off. But in a couple of hours, they've managed to put together a watch party of sorts tonight, and they have everything they need to make a watch party successful. They have the drinks, they have the vibes, and they have the people. And they're making good on their watch party. When the date was announced, they erupted into celebration. They are convinced they are going to win it. A lot of people here were playing Nostradamus. They were predicting August 18 and September 3, and so said, so done. One of the men in the engine room of the People's National Party is Dr. Dayton Campbell, the General Secretary. Dr. Dayton Campbell, you join me here on TVJ. We're live, so I'm really hoping the supporters can behave. Dr. Dayton Campbell, how do you read this date being announced? Do you see it as a Prime Minister cornered in terms of options, or what?
He didn't have much options left. I mean, we pretty much told him yesterday that nomination day would be on the 18th of August and election day on the 3rd of September. It's probably the first time in the history of the country that the opposition actually called the election. He was just out of time. The Prime Minister knows that he's afraid to approach the people, and so he waited because he couldn't find a window. We have prepared ourselves and we are ready.